Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Let's jump right into our weekly market recap for May 15th, 2026. The big theme this week? It's a massive, fragile tug-of-war between tech optimism and some harsh macro realities. The major averages look flat, right? But that totally masks the deep weakness underneath, especially with small caps. So what's fueling those macro headwinds? Hotter than expected inflation reports really spooked investors early in the week. April's headline CPI hit 3.6% year over year. That is still stubbornly above the Fed's target. And honestly, even more concerning, April's headline PPI surged to a massive 6.0%. Yikes. Geopolitical anxieties also flared up, driven by US-Iran tensions and a pretty quiet Trump-Xi summit in Beijing. These global jitters hit energy markets hard. Crude futures spiked, settling at a wild $105.49. Rising oil naturally stoked inflation fears, pushing the 10-year Treasury yield up 13 basis points to 4.60%. Because of all this, the market is literally starting to price in a potential rate hike next January. This crazy backdrop created huge sector divergence. Energy stocks won big, while consumer sectors took a real beating. But mega-cap tech showed incredible resilience, gaining 4%. It basically propped up the broader market. Proving our insatiable appetite for AI, the Cerebras Systems IPO absolutely rocketed with an 89% first trade gain. Meanwhile, Cisco's killer post-earnings rally reinforced everyone's confidence in booming AI infrastructure and networking demand. However, even within tech, leadership narrowed. Highly volatile semiconductor stocks actually lost ground, dropping 1.6%. And rising yields, they absolutely crushed rate-sensitive sectors. Homebuilders plummeted a massive 7% this week alone. So the big question, can tech really keep carrying the entire market heading into next week? The bottom line? Market breadth is deteriorating, macro headwinds are accelerating, and AI is our only real anchor. Will rising yields finally break market momentum, or will tech dip buyers strike again? We'll find out next week.